Hi guys, good morning. So, ayun, halos kagigising ko lang. We're from IKEA yesterday, last night, and late na kami nakauwi. And ayun, kasi every time we visit IKEA, we start from their showroom. I think that's on 4th floor, 3rd or 4th. And then, doon sa showroom, makakuha kayo ng mga idea kung anong ba sa bedroom, sa kitchen, or kung saan man yung place sa bahay nyo na gusto nyo or target nyo i-design. So, doon sa showroom, pwede nyo i-take down yung mga items na gusto nyo bilhin. And then later on, I think dun sa after ng showroom is nandun na yung mga items na may mga from the showroom dun yung kukunin yung mga names. And then after the showroom, dun yung makikita yung mga items. And then from there, dun yung siya ilalagay sa basket nyo or sa push cart. So ayun, expect kami dun palagi. Then pababa hanggang dun sa cashier. So nauuna is normally yung mga maliliit na items hanggang dun sa palaki ng mga items. Kasi parang may area dun na parang bodega something. And nandun, may kita nyo from the hall 11, and then stock, ganito. Doon yung makukuha yung mga bigger items na mga normally mga disassembled na nasa mga maliit na box, just like this one. So this one, this is for another video. So this is for our laundry area. So ayun, so nandun siya sa stock 11 or hall 11, then stock 5. So yan, that's just an example. Tapos nandun siya sa mga dulo na part malapit sa cashier kasi malalaki na siya, mabibigat. Ayun. So for today, I'll be showing you guys our recent budol sa IKEA. This is as you know, I mean, they've entered the air purifier items, not sure 2 years ago, and I'm really a big fan of the HEPA filter. I'm a nurse, and during the COVID times, we really relied on HEPA filter, especially pag nasa hospital kami, we make sure na nandun talaga yung HEPA filter. It's a really big help for them. Pero for today, I want to try at least this one. I'm not sure if this is the cheapest, but being an air purifier, I think this one is cheap, and we're here to test it, and let's unbox. Please unbox with me. So ayun. So when I say cheapest, I think this one is 1990 for an air purifier, and I'll check later yung capacity niya kasi normally yung mga air purifier natin they have like a capacity or recommended capacity ng rooms or area that they can purify so that they can still be reliable when it comes to purifying the air, of course. Kasi kapag malaki yung space and then yung air purifier mas maliit, I'm not sure if they can really do their job to purify the area. So make sure you check your area first, and before, so that you can find which air purifier is that you would need. So this one, we have the call this Upavand. So I'm not sure, pero since ako to nagbabasa Upadvin, pero yun, so Upavand. So check nyo lang yung YouTube siguro or Google how to pronounce it, pero yun. So let's unbox. So we have yun pala, another note, keep nyo yung mga receipts nyo from IKEA, because I think they have this wonderful return policy. So just in case you found something kailangan nyo return, defective or something, wala kayong magiging problema basta nasa inyo yung resibo. Though in my history of buying from IKEA, wala pa ako na-return. Kasi so far yung mga nabibili ko from them is okay naman. And I make sure kasi na before ako umalis sa IKEA or before ko ilagay sa basket ko is I check the items first so that hindi ko na siya kailangang ibalik for exchange or return. Yun nga lang, unfortunately with Upabind, hindi siya tinanong namin dun sa isang staff nila kung pwedeng i-try or i-test. Unfortunately hindi. So, isa din sa purpose ng video ko is para just in case may encounter tayo na mali or problem or may defect, may something na sira, at least I can use this video. Ayun. So, open na natin siya. So, though na-check ko lang is before I put this on my basket last night was to check lang kung may mga dent ba, may mga cracks. Ayun. So, and kung kompleto yung accessories. So, ayun. So, this one, it comes with the manual, of course, the Upabind, and then yung actual machine. Ayun. So, ayun siya. Maliit lang siya. Very space saver. Ayun. So, yun lang. Yung cable niya, unlike other air portable air purifiers, normally may space sila to keep it so that hindi siya, ayun, sagabal sa daan pag naglalakad ka. Lalo na yung misis ko, minsan naglalakad dito meeting sa dinadaan. Okay, mingan. So, and then ito, yung adapter niya. So, mga heavy duty naman siya. Kaya ako nasabi heavy duty kasi mabigat compared to other adapters. Pero, mga okay naman siya, solid. Yan. So, we'll check it later. Pero, before natin siya i-test, check muna natin yung manual niya and kung ano yung mga sinasabi dito. So, ayan, may barcode siya. And then, ayan, normally hinahanap ko yung lang volts. So, ayun. So, air cleaner, IKEA of Sweden, 24 volts, max. Ayan, made in China. So, 95 cubic meter per hour. So, etong may dBA dito, I think that's the noise from yung unit niya na dBA. So, that's 30 to 55. I think mahina lang yon dapat. Kasi I think 30 to 55 mahina lang. Kaya siya may range na to 55 kasi I think, ayun, meron siya dito na parang 1, 2, or 3 yung speed or yung power ng pag-suction niya siguro. So, ayan, may instruction siya dito sa labas. May paper siya. Ayan. So, meron siya 3 parts. So, ito yung una. Ito, nasa labas. Na, siguro external filter. Yeah. Kasi may kita nyo na may maliliit siya na or may screen sa gitna. In between those mga spaces. And then, the control filter. Ayan. Siya. Nakabalot pa siya. So, yun yung isang part dito na tinatanggal. So, before you use it, so, kailangan tanggalin nyo muna to. So, parang kagaya rin sa mga sasakyan. Looks like that. Yung mga air filter, sa mga cabin filter nila. Ayan. Ayan. So, gaan lang siya. Dito lang din. And, here first. And then, ayan. So, this is how it looks. So, itong space na to would be enough or exact lang siya dun sa filter natin. And, ayan, yung fan niya sa loob, yung suction. And then, may power siya dito. So, I'm not sure yet anong purpose nun. But, we'll check it dun sa manual niya. So, dito rin siguro lumalabas ng ingay. So, we'll test it later. Ayan. So, before we really operate this thing, so this one, ayan. So, masisecure nyo siya to this hose. Okay. So, parang hindi naman siya magnet. Hindi naman siya magnet. Ayun. Pero masisecure siya. Hindi naman siya gumagalaw-galaw. Pero before we start, check the manual. First time natin itong bubuksan ngayon. So ayan, so nandito naman, galingan nyo na every time you test or gamitin yung isang item, special appliance, check nyo muna yung mga safety niya, electricity safety, installation safety, operation safety, para sure lang tayo. I mean, mainit ngayon, March, and gusto mga sunog, so ayan, safety first, always. So ayun, so yung filter nila is, ayun, so yung una ko nilabas, yung external filter, that's called the pre-filter, and may recommendation siya dito, that's only for cleaning. Clean nyo lang siya, siguro pwede siyang basain, every 2 to 4 weeks, so at least every month. And then yung particle filter, yung kanina, yung eto, yung puti na yan. So yung filter niya, according sa manual, that should be replaced or replacement every 6 months. So yun yung isa kong ginawa nung binili ko to. Bumili na rin ako ng extra na filter. Ayan, para syempre hindi tayo babalik doon para lang bumili ng filter kung every 6 months naman siya. So I have 2 filters here, yung stock and then yung reserve, that's good for a year. Ayan. Recommended lang yon. So we'll check later kung may iba ba siyang indication kagaya ng aircon natin, yung mga aircon namin. So normally parang every 1.5 months may part na doon na mag-red siya para i-clean mo siya yung outer filter. Yeah. Pero normally every 3 months dapat service center siya yung actual machine. So para ito naman is yung filter kailangan palitan talaga. So every 6 months yung recommended. And then yun, yung kanina yung DBA na nakita natin dun sa machine, that's 31. Yung level 1 in here, that's yun yung power ng pag-suction niya kapag level 1 lang, that's 31 dBA up to kapag level 3, that's 55 dBA. So yun yung ingay niya. Ingay ng power. Kasi kapag level 1, 2.4 watts lang yung ginagamit niya. Level 2, then level 3, that's up to 8 watts. Ayan. So kung ibang language yung ginagamit nyo, ayan, makikita nyo rin iba. Spanish, yan. Indonesia, Malaysian, Vietnamese, ayan. So hanggang English lang tayo. Ayan, so isa pa sinasabi niya dito is kapag papatayin niya na siya, make sure na hihintayin niyo muna huminto yung fan kasi malalalig niyo naman yun kapag gumagalaw eh. Kapag hindi na siya gumagalaw yung fan, then that's the only time that you unplug or disconnect the power. Ayun. And then every time na change kayo ng filter, yun yung button kanina. Press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds. The reset initializes the filter replacement cycle counter. So ayan, ito. Dun sa gitna, sa loob, ayan, meron siyang red button. So, pipindutin nyo siya every time na magpapalit kayo ng filter. So, according sa manual, you need to hold it for 3 seconds. Ayan, make sure na careful kayo palagi, ha? Ayan, that's it. And then, meron tayong isang paper here. Let's see what this is. Okay. So, normally, may ganito si IKEA. Experience ko dun sa mga items na kailangan i-assemble. So, it gives you the step-by-step process. So, para hindi kayo mawala. So, yan, tatanggalin mo muna yung external, yung kagaya ng ginawa ko kanina. And then yung the actual filter, tatanggalin nyo yung balot. Then, tsaka nyo siya ibabalik. And may indicator siya kung nasan yung taas, yung baba. And then, tsaka nyo siya ipa-plug. That's the third step. Power, adapter. Then, plug it. Okay. So, yung power niya palang indicator din nun is yung ilaw. So, may ilaw din yung power niya mamaya. So, pwede siyang nakatayo, nakatagilid, or nakahiga. As long as dapat yung yung vent niya kung saan lumalabas yung hangin. This one is papalabas sa open area. Or hindi siya natatakpan rather. Ayan. Ayan. So huwag siya nasa baba. Normally nasa taas. Huwag daw nakapababa yung ventilation niya. Ayan. So ito. Either nakatayong ganyan, nakaganyan, basta nandito to. Yung part na to kung saan siya lalabas ng hangin. Yung pinilter niya, hinigo, tapos nilabas. Or nakahiga, nakaganyan. Pero wag na nakapababa kasi nandito sa labas bababa yung hangin. Ayan. Or nakatalikod. Kasi nandito yung filter. So wala siyang mag-filter na hangin kung nandun sa baba. Yung hihigop ng hangin. So, ayan. So pinakita naman niya dito, and then kung paano tinatanggal properly. So mali ako doon. So meron pala siyang space dito. Ayan. Kasi hindi nagbabasa kagad. Ayan. Sample, balik natin siya ng maayos. Here. Ayan. Meron pala siyang space dito to put your fingers. Ayan. Kapag tatanggalin nyo na siya. So, hindi lang basta-basta dito sa gilid. Kaya ginagawa. So, I'm wrong. Huwag nyo gagayahin. So, that's why we have this video. So, dito nyo sa maliit na space na yan, kasya yung finger nyo. Pag tatanggalin nyo siya. Left and right meron. Ayan. And then, yan, pinapakita lang niya yung madumi na filter. Pagpapalitan nyo na, and then proper disposal. Ayan, so pwede siyang, ayan. So yung labas is pwede nyo i-vacuum. Ayan, yung labas na part. Pero yung nasa loob, that should be disposed. Papalitan mo. Kasi yan, yung button kanina na red na nandun sa loob, pipindutin siya for 3 seconds para mag-initiate yung machine na yun na yung cycle for the another filter. And then, that's it. Yung pagbalik na lang. Yung tamang pagbalik. Times 4, meron siyang 4 holes. Ayan. So, I think we're ready. Balikan natin yung manual just in case we encounter any problem. Ayan. So, we have our extension here. So, the extension, this one, we did not buy it sa IKEA. Meron talaga kami na ito. Pero I think they're also selling extensions there. Ayan. So, here. Extension. And then, again, tatanggalin muna natin to. So, meron din siyang extra instruction here. Ayan, so may pipindutin lang dito yung instruction na yan, that's for when you're about to change it. So, ayan. Mami kayo ng good thing, guys. Ayan, so ito yung isang indicator niya para malaman nyo kung alin yung nasa taas o nasa baba. So, sample, here's the machine. Pagbukas nyo sa kanya, may kita nyo is etong part dito, may isang side na merong ganito. Maliit na paper. I think aside from indicator na siya yung nasa taas is that's also for to help us kapag tatanggalin natin siya. Para hindi natin sinusuksok yung gilid. So, here. Ayan. And we put it in here sa gitna. Ayan, di ba? Very easy. And make sure nyo lang na nakalapat siya. Ayan. So I don't really recommend touching yung gitna kasi kagaya ng mga filter sa mga sasakyan is madali silang ma-deform. Ayaw natin nun. So dito naman sa external or pre-filter niya, I think kahit saan naman to, wala siyang indicator, wala rin namang reminder dun sa manual kung ano yung nasa taas. Since I think equally divided naman yung mga holes niya. Yeah. So, Tapat nyo lang doon. And then, that's it. So we're good. So ito yung indicator niya. Ayun. So ito pala yung isang indicator most probably na mag-i-indicate na kailangan ng palitan yung filter. But we'll check it later to verify kung ano talagang purpose niya. Ayan. And then the adapter. So, close na muna natin ito. And then here, okay. So, gitna lang naman siya. So, unlike yung ibang adapter na parang tatlo yung holes niya, kailangan mo connect. So, ayan sa baba. And I'm gonna plug it na. Ayan, so umilaw siya ng saglit. This one, nag-blink siya ng red and then this one is white. So, I think we're ready. Let's try it. So, click ko lang muna siya isang beses. Ayan. Starts working. Napakahina lang ng ingay niya. Hindi mo masyadong maririnig. Pero you know na ayan, nag-work siya. Lumalabas yung air na na-filter niya. It's good. So, I'm not sure. I'm gonna try something here. Not sure if this is gonna work. You see? Hindi siya nahulog. So, it's really suctioning air. This paper here, di ba? Ayan. Nung dinikit ko siya dito, see? Hindi siya nahulog. Nagsasuction talaga siya ng air and lumalabas siya dito. Ayan. That's good. And nakailaw siya ng white. So, let's try the level 2. I'm happy. Level 2. Ayun, mas tumingkad. Mas nag-brighten yung light indicator niya dito. And lumakas yung ingay, konti. Pero hindi naman siya disturbing. Ayan. And lumakas yung hangin. Parang na siyang yung lakas niya parang electric fan na mga nasa number 1. I mean yung pressure nung hangin na lumalabas dito. And let's still try kung gaano siya kalakas mag-suction. Yeah. Yung paper talaga, di ba? See? Wala ka siya maghigop ng hangin. And lastly, let's try the number 3. Ayun. Mas tumingkad din siya. And mas lumakas. And lakas din ng yung air na nilalabas niya. Really amazed. Sorry, first time kasi. Bumili ako ng air purifier or air cleaner. Let's try this. See? Ang lakas ng suction niya. Or paghigop niya ng air. Ayan, so guys, I hope this video will help you decide kung bibili kayo ng air filter purifier from IKEA. For me, the price is okay to start kasi yung mga ibang air purifier, air filter na nakikita ko, mahal talaga. Iba mga siguro 5,000. Maliit pa lang yon. So, I bought this to try yung product ni IKEA. If I'm not happy, I'm gonna make another video kung bakit or ano yung naging outcome niya. Probably, I'll make another video after 4 weeks, 1 month. Kasi that's the recommended cycle for cleaning the pre-filter. Yung nasa labas yung external filter. So, probably make another video to show you how I will clean it, and most probably by that time I'll have more idea and share my experience kung ano yung na-encounter ko with the Upovind during 4 weeks of use. Most probably will be using this every day. Ayun, kasi one of the things that I've read sa kanya dun sa ads ni IKEA for this model is recommended siya sa mga area na yan,
nilulutuan kasi they releases tiny particles. Those are the things that we want to filter kasi nai-inhale natin siya. And di naman natin may iwasan na may mga dust, galing tayo sa labas. So, safety is really our concern. So, we'll try it, we'll update you guys, and then after 1 month, I'll make another video by the time that we replace the filter, the internal filter, dun sa recommended cycle niya, which is 6 months or earlier, whichever kung mag-indicate man to na kailangan na siyang palitan. So yun, we'll make another video to share it with you with, let's say after 1 month, we're happy, satisfied with kung yung sa function niya. Then second, third, fourth, fifth month until we replace the filter yung sa loob, kung ano yung mga experiences namin sa kanya. Pero I hope na maging okay siya, maging masaya kami, and makatulong sa amin sa bahay na ma-purify yung air, ma-clean. There's only one thing na I think hindi ako sure yet is the actual filter itself kasi they're claiming na it's HEPA filter. I don't have that in-depth knowledge when it comes to HEPA filter. Ayun. So, we'll check it first kung may mga ano ba siya, variations or yeah. Kasi when we say HEPA filter, talagang para sa akin reliable siya. I'm just not sure kung anong HEPA filter yung ginamit nila dito, but we'll check. So, ayun, I'm happy. It's still number 3. So again, just a reminder, make sure na nasa taas itong exhaust niya, and then definitely itong pang-suction niya is dapat nandito sa area na makakahigop siya ng as much as many air. Kasi yun yung purpose niya, is to purify the air, linisin, kunin yung mga madudumi, polluted air, dust, and then release a purified air, cleaner air. Yeah. So I hope you're happy, guys. We'll share another video on how the UPA-Vind works. Yeah. So see you guys. Thank you.